So I picked up a new feeding mat for the kittens, and that's how it comes. Let me just unroll it. I'm concerned it's going to be all rolled up and difficult to keep flat, but let's have a look. There's a couple of tips on there which are interesting. It says basically keep it on a clean, dry, flat surface with no water behind it because it could make it slippery, and don't use anything abrasive on it. And there is the mat itself. It's got like dimples on it, which is good for grip. It's nice and wide as well. You get definitely good a few plates on there. There's no feet or anything on the back of it. It's completely flat. And I really like the fact it's got a rim on there because my cats are quite messy and they just knock biscuits and stuff everywhere. So nice and thick, like the ridge. Let's put some food on it. It's a little bit creased, but that will go with time. So there's our couple of plates of food. Plenty of space for them to make loads of mess. I think this is going to be a good one. I really like this. If your cats are a little bit feisty, or your dogs or whatever are a bit feisty, it's going to be a difficult one for them to push over. Really good for a water bowl as well if your cats are a bit splashy, because we've got a cat like that, likes to splash around the water. It'd be really good to keep all that captured. So yeah, I think that's pretty good.